It is by far, hands down, the best course I have ever bought. And guys, it actually works.
It was unbelievable. I had over 60 new people. 60.
If you haven't got this program, you're crazy.
I launched it for $495 and I had 9 people sign up for my course. Hey world, here we come. I'm really excited.
My God, what an amazing, amazing program.
This by far is the best course I've ever taken.
It has meant all the difference for me, and I've already seen results.
Within 24 hours, I had over 300 people take my offer.
And I can personally vouch that as soon as your funnel goes live, you'll start generating some leads on autopilot.
40 sales on a $70 product.
It is probably the best and most straightforward, actionable course I've ever taken.
And within the first week that I had it up on my Facebook profile, I immediately started getting leads organically.
So much value inside, it is ridiculous, really. It is such a no-brainer.
I've been struggling for a few months to get anything really launched. Now I've got leads in my pipeline and I understand how all the pieces and parts connect.
It was absolutely groundbreaking.
Since I implemented this, I've been getting leads every day.
Within 2 hours, I set up my funnel.
I've been taking courses for over 2 years and have gotten nothing done. But taking this course, I was able to complete my course and my funnel in a matter of hours.
Easiest money I've ever spent in my life.
This program was absolutely incredible.
Definitely will bring you success.
Essentially allows me to just advertise myself for free.
What it did for me was so powerful. Every day I wake up excited of where my business is going to go.
I'm just blown away.
I've been building funnels for 5 years now, and I've never seen anything this simple to follow. Anybody watching this, if you're interested in generating leads from your social media, you have to get into this course.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm being honest with you. I was one of the skeptics. I was like, not another course involving social media. What the heck is this guy doing? And I was like, you know what, Devin? Be cool. Be cool. Like maybe this is something you should pay attention to. And gosh, am I so glad that I did. I have never in my 2 years of this entrepreneurial journey bought a course with so much value packed into it. You know, all of these courses out there that are telling you how to do things on social media, how to attract people into funnels and things like that, just have a whole bunch of fluff. People trying to fill dead air. But this is straight to the point, getting you to launch your first funnel and attract people to this funnel too. You know, so I'm not going to ruin any more of the good surprises for you. But if you're on the fence about it, don't be like Devin. Just do it. Just do it.